How to log out of Printify application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily sign out or log out of Printify app using your smartphone. First of all, open the Printify application on your device, and once you're inside the Orders tab, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Account button. Inside the Accounts tab, you'll need to go all the way down and you'll see a Logout button. Remember, you must remember your credentials before logging out of your account so that you can get access to your account again. Tap on Logout if you're sure you'd like to log out of the platform, and confirm that you want to log out by clicking Logout once again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign out of your Printify application. Next time you try to log in, you'll need to enter your email and password, so make sure you remember those. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.